Hey buddy, Marcus going to see. Hey, today we're in the old historic section of Wetumpka, Alabama. Hey, let me show you what all we got going on here. This is where my brother lives here in Wetumpka, so we're up visiting him. Thought I'd give you a quick tour of the city. Okay. Yeah, used to be called the Chicken Shack, but now it's the Thai rice box. Check that out. That is just a little dinky place there. We actually ordered food from there yesterday. It was pretty good. Alright, you get this thing going here. Winnie's already on the loose making her video. They've renovated this area. It's looking pretty cute down here. Come on, Diana. It's just a walk-through tour. Plenty of places for rent. They made the old buildings look good. Yeah, looks pretty, huh? Yeah, Diana likes it. We came down here yesterday and got her an ice cream. Yeah, it was good, huh?
Yeah.
Rainbow? Yeah. Rainbow ice cream, huh?
Yep.
Yep. Apparently they took out a building here and made it a little alleyway, which is real cool. Rainbow ice cream.
Red green.
We'll come back and get one later, okay?
Okay.
More eateries. There's one there, the Coosa Cleaver. Got the bar area upstairs there, and eateries downstairs more. Yep. Well, watch out for the doggone light poles, huh, darling? Yep, artwork.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think in the city, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Wait, where's Mommy?
Mommy will catch up with us. Oh, there we go. Restaurant space for lease. Got lofts up above it. Yeah. There you go. The bridge, lofts, and hill. Yeah. Oh, you hit it. Oh. Big empty spot available.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's empty, huh?
Somebody in the work.
Yeah.
Somebody needs to work.
Somebody needs to work. Oh, somebody draw on the concrete, huh?
Who did it?
Who did that, huh?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Huh?
Mommy, someone draw that. Someone to draw. Who did it?
Come on.
I think somebody.
You think somebody?
Daddy.
The courthouse. Let's go look at the bridge. What? Come on.
It's an
It's an old movie theater. Yeah.
Morning.
Go ahead, darling, jog. Look, you can look under the old building. Wow, look there. That's scary. Want to go in there? You want to go on the bridge with me? You have to go look at the river? Okay, come on. Go look at the river. Morning. Oh, we gotta go up the hill.
Oh my God!
Oh my God. Whoa.
We have to walk.
We have to walk.
Oh my God,
We're up here. We're high, huh?
It's too scary.
It's scary for you?
Yeah.
Wow, look at the river.
Scary.
Look at the water.
I'm scared.
Well, hang on.
I'm scared.
You're scary. Yeah, hang on. There's the Costco River.
I'm scared.
This is an old bridge here. You're scary? You think we went far enough? Okay.
Daddy.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Tired.
We're higher? You tired?
Yeah.
You go too far?
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's
Okay. You done? Okay. There's the river. Gonna park on the other side. Another bridge. Come on, get down. Let's go back. Okay, you want to go back? Okay, she's scary. Obviously it's up a little bit. These trees are in the water. Typical southern rivers, rain fed mostly. They've been getting some rain. Okay, folks, that's it for downtown Wetumpka. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this. We're going to try to get around and see a lot more in the future. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Okay. Diana, don't get close to the edge. You fall down there. Daddy can't get you.